Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the premium hobby upgrade ticket in Heartopia. So, once any hobby reaches level 10, this one, like for example in here on my cooking hobby, it's already reached level 10 like this. You won't be able to level it up further unless you use a premium hobby upgrade ticket on here. So how do you get one? You need to reach DG member level 51. This one. This one. You need reach level 51 on the DG member. So make sure you keep increasing your DG member level until you hit this level. And if you haven't reached it yet, don't worry, just continue leveling up your other hobbies that are still below level 10. And in my case, in here, I finally reached DG member level 20, level 51 today, and I will upgrade it first like this, and just like that I will receive a premium hobby ticket like this. Like this, you can see I got one premium hobby ticket. And after getting the ticket, just simply choose the hobby that you want to upgrade first and use it to unlock the next hobby levels. You can just choose your hobby that you love. And okay, that's how you can get a premium hobby upgrade ticket in Heartopia. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!